Hello, students. Today we are going to continue and learn and discuss the remaining points the modals can express. In the previous classes, we have already discussed points like modals can express permission, ability, necessity. Modals can also be used to make requests and ask questions. Today, we will see the other remaining points. Here, let's begin. Modals can be used to express suggestion, advice, duty, or obligation. The words that you can use are should and ought to. But remember how to use it. Should is used to suggest something, and when you use should, the suggestion is in a general tone and in a mild way. But when you use ought to, you suggest or advise, or you may say you express a kind of obligation or a duty. I've given here two examples. First, you should visit the dentist. This is a mild, a general suggestion, speaker's suggestion, your suggestion. You ought to follow the traffic rules. This modal ought to expresses the moral duty. Now we can use should, have plus V3. Wherever have is there, remember you have to use V3, not V1. But when you use modal should with have plus V3, what can we express? We can express that something was right to do but was not done. Example, you should have informed the police. That means the right thing to do was to inform the police, but you did not inform. It was not done. The right thing was not done. So should have informed expresses that the right thing was not done. The next point a modal expresses is promise. And the modal to express promise are will and shall. But you must be very careful with which subject to use will or shall. Shall can be used with I and we, whereas will can be used with other persons like he, she, it, they. But if you ever interchange it, and if you write will with I and we and shall with they, etc., that means the force of the promise is stronger. I've given here two examples. I will help you. Yeah, this is also a promise, a kind of promise, but it is not that forceful. But when you say I shall help you, you see the force of the promise is stronger. Now let us move forward and see what are the other things modal can express.